Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today's recipe is chicken drumstick. This recipe is done by my husband because he is non-vegetarian. We prepared this dish for my son. So let's start the video. So he got these chicken drumsticks from Walmart. These are the organic ones. That's why it is little bit bigger. He has already washed and cleaned those drumsticks. And now with the help of fork or spoon, make several holes. So when you are putting these into the marination, all the marination and the taste also went inside through these holes. So the holes is important. After you have done holes in all the drumstick pieces or the leg pieces, set this aside. Now here I have taken one lemon. You have to grate the lemon skin. So basically we need the lemon zest. Lemon zest is the skin, the first part of the lemon. So you have to very gently grate this using the cheese grater and you will get the skin. We do not want the white part of this, as I am showing you closely. After this is how you got it. Now we have to squeeze half the lemon that we are going to use into the recipe. This is approximately 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now set this aside. For marination, into the bowl take 2 tablespoons of hung curd. Basically you have to take the yogurt and strain the water. 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour. Half teaspoon of red chili powder, or according to your taste. If you like more spicy, you can add more spice. And 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 inch piece ginger. Here I have chopped the ginger, but you can take the ginger garlic paste, and 4 to 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Salt according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it a quick mix and then add 1 teaspoon of any cooking oil. And once everything is mixed, make sure to mix it properly, and this is the thickness of the marination. I will show you the consistency. This is the thick consistency. So we are looking for this type of consistency. Now the chicken pieces are clean and ready. Now start coating each and every piece one by one as shown here. So you have to take each and every piece and coat it with the marination. So one by one add the pieces and marinate it. This recipe is prepared by my husband. My husband and my son is non-vegetarian. I am vegetarian, so that's why I am not preparing this dish. Just I am doing the voiceover for this recipe. I thought of sharing it with you. If you have kids at home, or if you like to eat this type of non-vegetarian recipe, you can easily make at home. So watch the recipe till the end. Once you have coated all the pieces with the prepared marination, now it's time to cover it and set it aside for at least half an hour. And if you have time, you can let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours for the best result into the refrigerator, and then I will show you. After half an hour, I have removed this from the fridge, and this is how the pieces looks like. Basically my husband removed it from the fridge. So this is how he is showing. All the pieces are perfectly marinated. As you have seen here, he is trying to show you as possible as he can. Accordingly, the more time you dip it into the marination, it will be more tastier. So that is upon the time you have to prepare this recipe. Now here my husband is taking some breadcrumbs into the flat plate, as you have seen here. Today he is going to use the air fryer. So first he is going to remove the second basket, because in the second basket we are using for the non-veg dishes. So here he has taken the olive oil spray, but you can take any cooking oil, just spray it or just brush it with the oil as shown. Now take one of the drumstick piece from the bowl, and this step is totally optional. And now roll it into the breadcrumbs. If you don't like the crunchiness on top of this, you can just remove the leg pieces and then directly place it into the basket, but my son loves the crunchiness on the outer side. So that's why my husband is coating it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure to coat it from all over the sides, and this is how it looks like after coating with the breadcrumbs. Now place this piece into the air fryer basket, and because this is a very big piece, so I think only the 2 pieces are going to be fit in one basket, and this is the second piece ready. Place this into the basket similar way. We have already greased the basket. Make sure to grease the basket before you place the pieces. And now he is going to stack it into the machine, and before you start it, just spray the oil or grease it with the brush. Stack the basket into the air fryer, push the start button, select air fryer function, and here I have selected the second basket, and the temperature is at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And after selecting the time for 30 minutes, press the start button and it starts. I will meet you after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you have seen, the time shown is 25 minutes. That means the 5 minutes is over. Press the pause button here. Wait for a couple of seconds and then remove the basket carefully because the basket is hot. Now you have seen it is slightly done. Now you have, with the help of spatula or fork, flip the pieces as my husband is doing here and spray on the pieces one more time, and then stack it again into the basket and press the start button. And you have to do this process after 5 minutes of interval so that you have an idea how much time it will take. And it's been 13 minutes left. You have seen it's not done yet, so you have to cook it until 30 minutes. It might take little less time if you are not using the organic chicken. And now it's done. It shows cool sign and within seconds it shows off. You have seen here, I haven't pushed any button yet. So now it shows and that means the 30 minutes is over. Now carefully remove the basket and you have seen the drumsticks are ready. Here is the drumstick ready to serve. My son loved these drumsticks and it tastes so good according to him. And if you like this recipe of drumstick using air fryer, then do give it a thumbs up. And if you like this type of non-vegetarian recipe, I will request my husband to make it and then I will upload the videos. So thank you. Thanks for watching.